Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Annalisa's Family Mix Vlogs. Hi guys, hi everyone, have a good day. In this video guys, we are in Lapu-Lapu Shrines at Mactan, Cebu. The heritage of Lapu-Lapu who killed Magellan. He is a hero. It is located in Mactan, Cebu, Lapu-Lapu City. Pwede din kayo mamasyal dito guys kung pupunta kayo ng Cebu, Lapu-Lapu City. It's a history, I think mababasa mo yan about Lapu-Lapu. So hindi na siya masyadong maganda kaysa noon kasi iniba na yon, na modernized na guys. Noon kasi ang daming flowers dito at garden, pero ngayon cemented na kasi ginagawa na nilang park talaga, na meron ditong maging mag-concert minsan o fest minsan din na ginagawa nila dito ng mga klaseng pagkain din. May exhibit sila dito kahit anong okasyon. Si Lapu-Lapu ay isang hero dito sa Lapu-Lapu, sa old history, kasi siya ang lumalaban kay Magellan. Pasensya na sa voice over ko guys kasi walang practice, direct lang talaga ako mag voice over. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.